Ngithokozela nginamukele laphana kuZimi Live. Namhlanje kuyivideo yethu besikhuluma ngesalary etholwa yiwo laphana ama-actor eGeneration The Legacy. Mayikuthi ujwayele ukuyibuka iGeneration, maybe nokuyibuza vele sometimes ukuthi ngabe labantu bathola into engakanani, ngabe malini abayiholayo. So wethu naSuzimi Live siyenzile i-research, siyenzile for isikhathi eside. And i-research yethu sibheke konke ama-source laphana ebesiwathemba, and amanye esinike information wrong and amanye sathola information right. So ngenze i-research under i-Broadcast Research Council of South Africa, babese besinika i-information e-right. If ufuna ukuhlezi u-updated ngezama-celebrity and okwenzakalayo la eMzansi, ungasubscribe kuyona le channel and uclick laphana i-bell for ama-notification. So qala ngayeke laphana uLucy ungomunye wama-character amakhulu kuyo laphana iGeneration The Legacy. Yena-ke isalary yakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango-30,000 kuya ku-36,000 per month. Ingakuconfuse-ke lento. The reason isalary yakhe ithi 30,000 to 36,000 ingoba sometimes it-dependa kuma-scene. Uma i-scene yakhe ngaleso sikhathi inkulu kuphoqa ukuthi kumele enze izinto kaningi vele kaningi. Ilapho-ke isalary yakhe ibisinyuka khona, but lento ibhaliwe kwi-contract and yazi kuyi-secret ukuthi babhale ukuthini bavumelane ngani. That's why thina besinika information kanje. Ngidlule kuye laphana umregza ke yena isalary yakhe linganiselwe emalini engango 25,000 kuya ku 30,000 per month. Ngiphinde futhi ngiyekuye laphana umazwi yena eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 35,000 kuya ku 40,000 per month. Ngiphinde futhi ngidlule phambili laphana ngiyekuye laphana uBoypele eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 20,000 kuya ku 28,000 per month. Ngiyekuye laphana uLiseti yena eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 20,000 kuya ku 30,000 per month. Ngiyekuye futhi laphana uZondiwe eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 30,000 kuya ku 40,000 per month. Ngiyekuye futhi laphana uAyanda eyakhe yena ilinganiselwe emalini engango 36,000 kuya ku 44,000 per month. Ngiphinde futhi ngithintene laphana uSimanga yena eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 36,000 kuya ku 42,000 per month. Ngiyekuye futhi laphana uGokflow yena eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 33,000 kuya ku 35,000 per month. Ngiphinde futhi ngidlule phambili ngiyekuye laphana uNonhle yena eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 25,000 kuya ku 34,000 per month. Ngiphinde futhi ngidlule phambili ngekuye laphana uSiphe yena eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 35,000 kuya ku 45,000 per month. Ngiphinde futhi ngekuye laphana uMay yena eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 20,000 kuya ku 28,000 per month. Ngekuye laphana uJack Mabaso yena eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 50,000 kuya ku 58,000 per month. Siyazi senesikhathi isikhathi ekhona lapha kwi-generation and futhi even ngisho le generation endala bevele khona. Ngiphinde futhi ngithinte naye laphana uTawu yena eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 48,000 kuya ku 59,000 per month. Ngiphinde futhi ngekuye laphana uJera yena eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 25,000 kuya ku 32,000 per month. Ngekuye laphana uMpho yena eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 20,000 kuya ku 37,000 per month. Ngiphinde futhi ngithintene laphana uGaddafi yena eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 45,000 kuya ku 53,000 per month. Ngiphinde futhi ngekuye laphana uCosmo yena eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 25,000 kuya ku 35,000 per month. Ngiphinde futhi ngekuye laphana uHlubi yena eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 20,000 to 26,000 per month. Ngiphinde futhi ngekuye laphana uPalisa yena eyakhe ilinganiselwe emalini engango 20,000 kuya ku 32,000 per month. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe for amanye amavideo ama-celebrity nezinto nje ezitrendayo. Ngiyabonga, ulike, usubscribe. Thank you.